welcome back to a brand new video. And what a week we've had with the weather. We've had all sorts, high winds, high tides, you know, gale force winds, trees coming down, events being cancelled. However, one of the big ones, the Blackpool turn on, is on, and the weather is apparently gorgeous. Not a drop of rain in sight. So today's video, we're going to have a bit of a look at the preview of all the stages and everything, because I think they're already being built. So we're going to have a bit of a look around, and also in this video we're going to take a look at one of Blackpool's famous fish and chip shops. It's actually up for sale. So what does that mean for everyone? So yeah, come and join me and we'll see if we can find out. So we're just on the comedy carpet, and straight ahead shall I say, this is going to be the main stage where Mel B is going to be performing, as well as other artists. And you can just see all the trucks, everything. Look at all the cases. So this will be like the DJ equipment, the speakers, all sorts of the lights, and you can see they've gone to great lengths. So these are all the cases, amazing. And you can see some of the speakers. We won't go too far in because we're probably not allowed, but you can see there's speakers, all sorts. And what a great event this is going to turn out to be. So what you can see in front of you is the road, relatively quiet in comparison to a busy day, but all of this you will not be able to move tomorrow. It will be absolutely a packed jam, and all the information in regards to the big switch on will be in the description, so make sure you go and read that, and everything will be in there. And we're just opposite the Albert and Lilian and the spyglass. You can see this huge screen with like the trailer underneath. So I imagine all that's going to be lit up tomorrow, and I'd imagine I'll probably be projecting what's on stage for everybody to look, and it's going to be an amazing event. And despite the time, late evening, so it's about 6:30 in the evening on Thursday, and despite the late time, you can see the beach is it's nice and busy. I wouldn't say it's round, but it's nice and busy. Everyone taking a bit of this magical sun in, and amazing views. And as we steer up more towards Central Pier, you can see the Odyssey. All this will be lit up, and you can see the fence has already been removed. So this is the Odyssey, just near Central Pier. So we just popped inside Happy Days Amusements, and we're going to have a bit of a look around and just see if you do want a bit of a play on some of the machines, what they've got installed. So let's get going.
Bingo, we take bingo to the next level. So we're doing bonus lines, we do jackpot games, we do...
So that was a bit of a look in Happy Days Amusements, and if you do fancy a bit of a nibble, try your luck, always pop in there. It's another great family one. So just walking up near Golden Mile, another amusement centre. The Golden Mile, there's Coral Island, there's plenty of entertainment. And like I said, you know, if you don't want to spend too much, you can always grab yourself a pound or a couple of pound of 2p's. They always go a long way. So yeah, let's go and have a look at this fish and chip shop, which is selling up, and what it means to Blackpool. So we're just at the Famous Yorkshire Fisheries, and this one is now up for sale on Topping Street, and what a great opportunity. They've got the takeaway and the cafe, and it's got a fantastic reputation. and this one is up for £924,000. And I'd imagine you'll have a good set of an accounts with this one. So yeah, what's your thoughts on this one? So just under £1 million. If you fancy a bit of a business, a bit of a challenge, I'll put the link in the description on Rightmove. So I'll pop the link in the description, and yeah, let me know if you're up for the challenge with this one. And how quiet does St John's Square look this evening? Looks like everybody is possibly saving their pennies and saving their energy for the switch on tomorrow. So it's about sort of 7 o'clock now, and it looks deserted. The only thing what's really moving is those little fountains, and it looks like there's quite a bad accident just on the promenade, just near the stage. You see the ambulances in attendance, and we'll just zoom in, and that looks a bad one. Look at that, how did that happen? I mean, it's only sort of like 15 miles an hour you do down here. And, what a bad smash that one is. Really. So you see,
they were there last night as well on the roof. How did they even get up there?
You can see all the debris, and what a shame.
If you cross over, you'll see the front of the car.
You're looking for the barriers there, there was loads of people over.
Just look at the damage that has caused, and that's some smash. We got more police. And, what a night this is turning out to be. So they've just turned up to the scene. So I hope you enjoyed that video. A bit of a walk on, a bit of a pre-tour before the big switch on. And yeah, if you fancy grabbing a business and you got just shy of £1 million, like I said, everything will be in the description. So thanks for watching. If you like this sort of video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care, and it's a bye from me. And last thing, if you do go to the switch on, have a great one. Bye bye.